Hello guys, welcome to Gadget. You may have heard that there's a new version of iOS on the way, bringing with it Group FaceTime and a bunch of other cool stuff. And so in this video we're going to give you 5 useful new features hidden in the iOS 12 beta. Please take note that what we're about to show you is from the iOS 12 developer beta. It is very much intended only for developers, and you should probably wait until the public beta is available, supposedly later this month, to try it out. First, iPhone X gestures on the iPad. You can now use a few iPhone X style gestures on the iPad. No doubt designed to help ease the transition to Apple slates that don't have a home button but do have Face ID. A swipe up from the bottom of the screen will now take you back home. You can also swipe down from the top right hand corner of iOS 12 on the iPad to open Control Center, as on the iPhone X. The older shortcuts and gestures still work, but you might find the alternatives more convenient. Second, warnings about reusing passwords. If you're using the same password across multiple services, something you definitely should not do, iOS 12 warned you about it. As long as the details are in its password log, from settings, code the password and accounts, then website and app passwords to check. A little warning sign appears if you're reusing the same password, plus a prompt to change it. As an added bonus, in iOS 12 you can get Siri to take you straight to these password screens directly, with a voice command like, "Hey Siri, what's my Netflix password?" Third, 2 faces for Face ID. If you want to let someone else get access to your phone via Face ID, iOS 12 makes it possible. Like the gesture controls we mentioned before, this seems like another feature setting the groundwork for Face ID arriving on the iPad. To get the feature working, go to Face ID and Passcode screen from Settings and then tap Set up an alternative appearance to go through the face recognition process again. Note that you can't remove this second face without resetting both faces at the same time. Fourth, Siri knows more. Siri has apparently been reading around more widely since iOS 11 came out. Apple is promising that its digital assistant will be better at answering questions on celebrities, motorsports, and dietary information that would previously have left it stumped. Another new Siri trick is the ability to surface pictures directly from the photo app based on person, place, event, time, or topic. As yet though, Apple doesn't seem to have flicked the switch on these particular upgrades, so we haven't tested them for ourselves. Last but not least, automatic software updates. Apple always makes the point about how many of its users get on the latest version of iOS and how quickly. But it seems the process is about to get even easier. Tap on Software Updates under General in Settings, and there's now an Automatic Updates toggle switch. With no official word from Apple on this yet, we're speculating, but it sounds like updates that install automatically. So will everything run seamlessly behind the scene? Is this akin to Google's Project Treble for Android? With this, you might never have to see an update prompt again. So what do you guys think about this? Leave us your opinion in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and also subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.